Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Trying to find your old Madras University results can feel like a treasure hunt, but it doesn't have to be. This updated 2025 guide simplifies everything, helping you easily retrieve those crucial academic records from any year. We'll walk you through the most efficient ways to access your scores, ensuring you get direct access without the usual hassle. You deserve a straightforward path to your academic history, and we're here to provide it. The primary and most efficient method to retrieve your Madras University results is directly through their official online portal. Simply navigate to the dedicated results section on the university's website. You will typically need to input your unique registration number and the exact examination year. This streamlined process works wonders for accessing most recent results and even many older, publicly available records. It's designed for quick, user-friendly access. Sometimes, your results might be too old to appear on the online portal, or perhaps they're part of a special archive. In such cases, submitting a formal request directly to Madras University is your best option. You'll typically fill out a specific application form, possibly pay a nominal processing fee, and then wait for the university to retrieve the records from their secure archives. This method ensures even the oldest results are accessible, though it might take a little longer. To ensure a smooth and rapid retrieval of your results, always come prepared with essential information. Your complete registration number is paramount, as it uniquely identifies your academic record. Additionally, pinpointing the exact examination year and the specific degree course you pursued will drastically reduce search times. Providing these accurate details upfront empowers the university staff to quickly locate and provide you with your desired old results, making the process much more efficient. Here are a few pro tips to make your result retrieval even smoother. Always double-check that you're on the official Madras University website to protect your data. It's also wise to keep copies of any application forms, payment receipts, or email correspondence for your own records. If you face any unique challenges or can't find what you need, don't hesitate to reach out to the university's official support channels. They are there to assist you in special cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.